Moving on now to a new chapter today in a lawsuit concerning sexual abuse in Huntsville. The lawsuit now pointing out a failure to report the disturbing reports of abuse involving basketball players. 5 News reporter Catherine Gilker tells us why an attorney filed a second lawsuit today against the school district.
A second amended criminal complaint has been filed against the Huntsville School District today. The lawsuit says the school district did not turn over text messages between the school board administration and the athletic director under the Freedom of Information Act. Attorney Joey McCutcheon was told his request was denied because it violated privacy laws. He says after going back and forth with the district, he noticed a local newspaper was given those same text messages by the district.
It's a betrayal of trust when these types of acts are reported to a coach, then reported to a high school principal, an athletic director, and a superintendent of a school district, and they're not immediately reported to the child abuse hotline. And if they were, great. We want to see proof of it.
The mandated reporter law says that a mandated reporter must immediately contact the child abuse hotline if they suspect a child has been a victim of maltreatment. In the affidavit, a parent says they told the basketball coach about the abuse last October, and McCutcheon says he should have reported it.
If you allow sexual abuse to go on, it scars children, and you know, you can have the laws like this all you want, but if they're not enforced and folks aren't held accountable, then it's useless.
The alleged sexual assault involved members of the 9th grade basketball team engaging in sexual acts referred to as a baptism. Parent Rebecca Nell is one of 2 parents McCutcheon is representing.
It's terribly upsetting to think, I send my kid to school thinking he's going to be taken care of during his hours of 7 a.m. till 7 p.m. when he's in sports or in classrooms, and he was not.
She encourages other victims out there to not be scared and to come forward. She says this should never happen to another kid.
Whether it's our culture or not, they called it a ritual, but it shouldn't be, and it should stop.
In Huntsville, covering news where you live, Catherine Gilker, 5 News.
Now, we reached out to the Huntsville School District for comment, who referred us to their attorneys. They had no comment.